If you're gaming on PS4 but don't think that the DualShock 4 controller offers enough for you, then Sony has the accessory for you. This guy. So what the heck is the DualShock 4 back button attachment? The idea is actually pretty simple and ingenious. With this $30 accessory, you can easily attach this guy to your DualShock 4 controller and automatically gain 2 additional buttons. Now, chances are there's a host of games out there that don't support this functionality, and there's a host of people who don't really need this. But for those who take fighting games or shooters seriously, this back button attachment can mean the difference of digging through a menu to pull out something or automatically having that gun, accessory, or whatever else it may be at your fingertips. Literally. While it might be hard to see on video, there's actually a small OLED display right on over here. And the display actually shows what buttons have been mapped onto each of these rear 2 buttons. And according to Sony, up to 16 different functionalities can be mapped onto them. So let's get to unboxing this guy. What's also great about this accessory is that you can create 3 different profiles, so when you're jumping in between games, you actually don't have to go in and remap them. So if you want one for Destiny, one for Call of Duty, and one for Battlefield, you can already have those pre-mapped, and right through here select which game you're playing, and it automatically changes the button configuration. And for those of you using a plugged-in headset, note that you won't actually lose your microphone jack, and that this does have another microphone input right on over here. The other great part about this accessory is that it's extremely lightweight, so I don't think you'll actually notice the difference once it's connected to your DualShock 4 controller. So you won't really have to worry that if you're gaming for long periods of time that it's going to weigh down your controller and therefore hurt your hands or wrists. Now, if you're the kind of person that likes to leave their accessories plugged in all the time, keep in mind that you'll be losing one functionality. A lot of DualShock 4 docks out there, including the ones that Sony itself makes, are designed where you can place down the controller like this, and this has no charging ports at the bottom, and the ones on the DualShock 4 controller blocked. Now, obviously at any time you can just grab the accessory, really pull it on out, and place your controller on the charger. So in some ways it's really not a hassle, but I did want you guys to know about that. As far as compatibility goes, this accessory is compatible with all DualShock 4 controllers that Sony itself has made throughout the lifespan of PS4 and PS4 Pro. Now, if you guys have any questions about this accessory, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, and as always, I'll be answering them for you. If you want to see me do more videos or do more video unboxings, make sure to hit that like button as well as subscribing to the channel, which helps it grow, and that little bell notification, which will let you know the next time my video goes live.